What's up, guys? So as you've seen, I'm going to be detailing the Jeep. So I got the pressure washer. I have a bunch of cleaning supplies that I will be using. So I have my lovely girlfriend going to help me, but you're probably only going to see her in like the time lapse. But let's get into it. Alright, so we're starting to clean the inside. I got the pressure washer all set up. I just got to hook up the actual hose. I'm struggling a little bit with that, not gonna lie. It was all tangled up. But inside, all the clothes I had are in the black bag. I got to arrange them from clean and dirty. And then right now we're gonna do all the trash. And I got all the floor mats. I got those laid out. I'm gonna pressure wash those too. So basically right now we're doing the interior. All right, so we just got done cleaning the inside. Hopefully I got some good footage of that. But now we're going to do the fun stuff, which is actually cleaning it, because like, look at that thing, it's filthy. Anyways, about to hook up the pressure washer. I already got the soap and stuff in it. I'm gonna go and spray it down, and most of this is going to be time lapse, but as you can see, there's sections where I talk and tell you what's basically happened. But yeah.
All right, guys, that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, all the normal stuff. And that's it. Peace out.